Do not change the machine configuration without permission or identification from our technical team. SINOMACH is not responsible for the safety problem or economic loss caused by that. The operator of this machine must be authorized and trained, and the driver must carefully read the instruction manual. Recognize safety information and follow operation and maintenance instructions. Understand the caution and safety signals. Maintain a healthy physical condition and do not drink alcohol or take drugs while operating the machine. Operators should understand the function of all controls, indicators and installations. In order to ensure the safety of the operator and the service life of the machine, please check the vehicle according to the regulations before starting and check it regularly. Follow the do's and don'ts outlined in this job. Do all the preparations. When refueling or handling flammable substances, turn off the engine, do not smoke, and do not light open flames near the battery charging point. Do not work under a motor grader supported by a jack. If access must be done under the machine, it must be firmly supported by guards. When crossing a bridge, know the weight limit of the bridge. When working near power lines, check that the distance between the wires and the roof of the vehicle is adequate and safe. When working, ensure that the rearview mirror and cab glass are clean and unobstructed to ensure a good view. Keep hands and arms clear of frame hinge to avoid crushing hazard. Safely hoist the position of the motor grader. Keep a safe distance from the back of the loader to avoid collision accidents. Keep your hands off the rotating fan to avoid shearing hazard. Watch out when entering the loader by steps to prevent slipping, tripping and falling. Sound the horn before reversing or operating the loader to make sure there is no person in the working area. Avoid overhauling and maintaining the vehicle with the engine running. Turn off the power when overhauling the engine and electrical system. When the motor grader is driving, no passengers are allowed in the cab or anywhere else. Reduce the driving speed while steering. Sudden steering or slowdown is not allowed. Try to avoid turning the loader on slopes. Drive slowly in rainy, snowy, and other bad weather conditions. No taxiing when going downhill. In the neutral position of the transmission, prevent engine stall. Prevent to drive fast while loading or unloading materials. If it is necessary to start the engine in an enclosed area, adequate ventilation should be provided. The exhaust gas is fatal to the human body. When parking, put the transmission handle in neutral, press the parking brake button, put the scraper, ripper, etc. on the ground, and put all the safety levers in the locked position. It is strictly forbidden to repair or maintain the grader when it is running. Before repairing or maintaining the grader, the wheels should be wedged. And warning signs must be hung. If maintenance is required after the engine is started, attention should be paid to safety. Always turn off the power switch after working. Be sure to turn off this power switch during transportation, inspection, and maintenance.